In the home.js file. In home.js file, we have made array. We have made this one based on this one college multi-dimensional array, right? This is a multi-dimensional array only, no? Let's delete that array and delete the map. Delete the array and delete the map also. Delete the array and delete the map. Delete length, everything. Not required. So which file you are into? Home.js file. Let's go there. And table also. T head you delete everything. And T body you delete everything. Just keep like this. Welcome home. I can share this much in your chat also. You remember Aadhaar center, if you go to Aadhaar center, Aadhaar card, right? They will have two screens. One screen, they will enter your details. Another screen, they'll ask, keep checking if anything is wrong, right? When they'll type immediately, it will display in another screen also. Okay, I work for a company where I went for the this one card means the swipe card. Employee will have no card for entry, attendance and all. When for the some problem, they have big monitor, 3 monitor connected together. Okay, they will do in one monitor. Some other people will see in another monitor, and you can also see in the third monitor whether all the inputs are correct or not. On type, while typing, it will come. It will look like using JavaScript they have made. When you type, it will display immediately. Okay. Okay. So hope your home file is ready. Something like this. Come in home file. Okay. Come in home file. Give for this table align as a left. Align equal to left. Okay. Align left. T body we can use. T head we can remove, not required. T body is okay. In T body, write one TR and write one TH. Call enter your name. Create a TD. Input type equal to text. Input type equal to text. And create one more TD. There you write your name is something. Create one TD first. Okay, so done till here. Now let's go in the beginning and import the React, comma, use state from React. Import React, comma, use state from React. Next, come down, write a let full name, comma, pick name equal to use state empty. Full name, pick name, use state as a empty. Next, after this, pick name function is responsible to pass any type of value under the full name. If we print the full name here, what will be the output? If we print the full name here, what will be the output? Empty it will come. Empty it will come. And if you want the text box value should come here, then what to do? If you want the text box value should come here in the right side, your name is particular, what we should do? On change, you have to call that function. Which function? Big name. On change equal to, you create a object and call the function call pick name, and inside that you pass obj dot target dot value, the value of current element. Pass the value of current element. You will see once you start typing, automatically your value will appear in the right side. Once you start typing, automatically your value will appear in the right side. So first call it on change. Call it on change. After calling on change, you check once your value is printing in the right side. It should be something like this. If I type here SIYARAM, it should appear here. Your name is particular. Printed. In the text box, you are calling on change. On change you are calling here. Working. The home file में modify करना था, modify नहीं किया गया। Save auto save enable था, disable क्यों हो गया? File में जाओ, go to file. Yes, enable auto save, नीचे click करो. ब्राउज़र में डालिए, आया ना? उसमें text box में डालिए. नहीं टाइप करना है ना, तो आ गया राइट साइड में. Printed, right? Now this way you will print your name you are printing. Now print these details. One more email, one more mobile, and one more call. Skill. Yes. Name is done. Email, mobile, skill. Try that. So you will be adding how many variable? 3 more. Name is ready. Email, mobile, and then skill, and print in the right side. Then you will understand, okay, how state work. You are entering in the left side and immediately it's coming in the right. Quickly. Write 3 more fields. Name is done. Similar way, you try the email, mobile, and skill. So 3 more variables you need to create in a state. How you have created one call for name. Similarly, email, mobile, email, mobile, skill. Right. Okay, so working for everyone. So this kind of, if any examples comes, you should not make delay. You should do it quickly. Email, email, skill. Pick email, pick mobile. Pick a skill. Go below. Same tier, I should copy. Paste, paste and paste. Okay, enter name, enter. Mobile number. Pick mobile. You will print here call mobile. You will write here. Enter email. Pick email. Email you can write here. Next we can write call. Pick a skill. Pick skill. Enter your skills. So it is something like this. If I enter call SIYARN, will come in the right side. Correct. Something like this. SPL register install CSS, JS, whatever you enter it will come. Okay, so this is called your state management. Data you enter and immediately at same time it displayed. So this example we have practiced or not? This is working. Okay. Now we'll go to the next example related to array of object input and output. Create next file that should be called hook4.js, 4.js, hook4.js. Import here, use the state from React. Write const page 4 . export default. Page 4. Come inside, create one. Next, let item list, comma, update item. Use state as array. Use state as array. Next, after this, write below return a division id equal to container we are written. Next one, item list. Inside you can write align center. It will come in a minute. Next, after that, we need to create one table where we can take the input and one table where we can display the output. To create the first table, align equal to left, self padding, so 10. Write T head, write TR, and then TH. Item name AD input type equal to text. Next, item price, item details. Item name, item price, item details. Okay, so ready? Next, after this, we required a button where user will click PH. Button, save item. Now we can come to the app.js file and we can link this page in the routing. So HTML is ready. Come to the app.js file. Your component name is called hook page 4. What are the field you added? Item name, item price, and then item details. And button called save button. Component name is called hook page 4. Go to the app.js file, import that. Import hook page 4. Then you come down, give a link. Give a link. Hook page 10. Page 10, hook page 4. Link page number 10, but the hook number 4. Then after that, you can give a link below. Not link, just adding the routing. Hook page 10. And here, page 10 and hook page 4. Page is 10 and hook page 4. Okay. Come next. See now, page should load. Something like this. Now, whichever the item will enter here, that will go to the list in the right side. So first check your form is ready and routing is working. Form page is ready and the page is added under the routing. Page is added under the routing. Now we'll go to that particular file that is called hook 4. In hook 4, in hook 4, come down. After this table, create one more table. After this table, create one more table. That table will be aligned right. And again, self adding 1.5. Head tr TH, serial number. Next TH, call item name. Next TH, item price. And next TH call item details. Next TH is called action. Next TH is called action. So table look like this, listing in the right side and the input in the left side. Now we have to play with the state. We'll enter the value, data will go to the state, and here again it will come from the state. In previous example, you saw home file, only one user details you are given. Now here how many item details? N number of. So here you have given the details. It was printing immediately, but this will also print immediately, but when after click. This data will go to the array, and from array it will come and display in the right state. Okay. So first come to the page and come to the page and so clear till here. Error or no error? No error. When company will give assignment, candidate will not do. Right? Candidate will not do. Candidate will not do. How you will get the job? You have to do no something. At least you should try. Then only something will happen. And when job will not happen, then who is blamed? People will say, in this institute there is no placement. When interview calls will come, you are sleeping in home. You put mustard oil in head and sleeping somewhere in sunlight, saying like, "Let me get something." Right? When interview will go, then eyes will open. I'm not getting. Who all are in the placement group? Many people are there, no? What says replied saying like, some company has given assignment village topic. Then seems no one has done that. If you need, then attend, do the assignment, then only it will work out. If you will not do, then how it will be? There is no any provision in the IT industry or anywhere. Without interview, how will get the job? If people will fear from the interview, only how they'll get the chance. First, we should try. If try, then only something will happen. But the problem is in trying itself. The problem is in trying. Will not be ready to try. That is the main blockage point. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the remaining. What we have to do is, so the functionality is clear. We have to take from here, give to array, and from array we need to list inside the right side. So to take the value from text box, in the previous example you saw, you created 4 variables. Here also you have total 3 input field. You have to take the 3 variable. So come to the state part. One array is ready. Now let's create the letter item name, comma, pick name. Use state empty. Let item name, item price, pick price, use state. Next, after that, details. Let details, comma, pick details. Next, after that, use state empty. Now, you will call this 3 pick name, pick price, pick details for the text boxes. So go here on change, obj, then after that pick name, inside the name function you will pass obj dot target dot value. Now same thing we need to do everywhere. Change the function name. On change, you can call pick name, pick price, next pick details. Next, after that, button click, we need to call a function called save. Call the function called save. Save function is not there, so it must throw you the error. Okay, ready? Save function is, you called on button click, come up. We have to write that function. Save is not ready, so it's throw the error. Pick name, pick details, pick price, all as called. Go up, write a function now called save. We need to write a function called save. Save function. Under the save function, you have to create one new object of, you have to create a new object of current value. New item equal to name, you take from the item name. Item name. Okay. Price you take from the item price. And then details you take from the details. So here what happen is, one object is ready. Inside that, if you want all the key, you can keep in double quote. Next year you are writing the single, this one, lowercase. Uppercase will also work, but lowercase, if you write key everywhere, is the right way. Okay, hope done. Come down below. You have to use the spread operator again. And update item is the function. Update item will have first call array. Then fat arrow you will use. 3 times square bracket you will use. Again, array name you will keep. After that, new item you will keep. So new item will get added under the item list and it will update under the state. New item will get added under the item list and it will update under the state. And so done till here. Come next. Next, we need to create the listing part, or we can print first length only, and then we'll see length is increasing. So come down, take the item list array. So you remember this line, spread operator. So take the item list array and print the length here. Item list colon item list dot length. Item list dot length. Rotate item list. Check now. Saying is a 0. Now enter something and click on save button. See the length is increasing or not. Whenever you click, the length should get increased by 1. If length is increasing by 1, that meaning your page is working fine and your element is getting added under the try and let me know also in the chat whether it's happening, not happening. Okay, next work is to make the list. So come down to the right side, T body. T body open close in the second table. You will write item list dot map item and comma index. Return PR key you can use here index. TD you can use. First TD is for index as a serial number. Second TD will be item dot name. Item dot name. See what you are sending under the array. Which property you are storing? You are storing called name, price, details. You have to print the same name, price, details, name, price, details. So property name. So we can print next item dot name next TD item dot price next TD item dot details next TD. One button is required. Delete. You will check once how many items you will add. It will get listed in the right side. Okay. So next, let us add the item and see whether it's listing or not. Save it. It will come in the right side. Add is happening. Next work is to clear the text box. You have seen already, but I'll repeat again. Okay. How to clear the text box? We need to call the function and empty the value, and that same variable we need to call as a value property. So first you go here under the HTML part. For text boxes, you need to call as a dot value. In the text box, we need to call some little but again alignment should be well aligned. Now here we can come and value equal to same variable. What is the variable? Details. Yes, you need to call the details variable. All this value equal to details. Similar way, value equal to, we need to call it all the text boxes. And respective variable name we have all the way, we need to call that. Got it? Value. Do for other enabled also. You can bring the elements in the new line. That is also valid. Properties we can place in the new line. We can write like this, value equal to price. Value equal to price. Similar way, look for the item name also. Oh, you are doing wrong. See what you have, item name, item price, then details. So what we printed here, price we printed, that is wrong. It should be item price. Value equal to item price. Okay. Value equal to item name. Because your variable name is item name, item price, and details. Change that. Item name, item price, and then call details. Okay, written. Come down, check now. After entering the value, is it getting clear? Item price 200. Good. Added. Oh, it's not clear here. How? Oh, we have not completed still. Come up. After saving the data, so value we have written everywhere. After the saving the data, you have to call here call peak name. And under the peak name, you have to pass the empty. Empty. Then you need to call peak price. Under the peak price, also you have to pass the empty. Then you have to call peak details. Inside that also you have to pass the empty. Peak name, peak price, peak details. Peak name, peak price, peak details. Okay, now it's clear. Let's check once. Enter the value. 300. And again good. To become clear. Enter mango. 100. Okay. Clear. Orange. 50 rupees. Good. Clear. So printing in the right side. Details, you remember how to delete the item? Details, you remember, no? You need to write a detail, sorry, not details, delete. How to delete? So if save is happening, list is happening, write a function and delete the record. Exact same what you tried in the last file. Array name is called? Array name is item list. Function name you will write called delete item. Okay. Try deleting and let me know save list delete happening or not. Delete anyhow, I should not write because you have tried no last two examples. Same way, exact delete item dot bind this comma index, and this data item list dot splice.
Why this is used?
That is a default parameter. Even I don't know why they have written. Whoever has made bind function, I don't know why they have written, but that works like that. Okay, when you have gone through the class object, you remember we have discussed on this inside class. What is the meaning of this?
Telling that
Object of current class. So wherever on which tr you write dot bind, there what to write this. So it represents the current tr. Okay, this meaning itself is it represent the current element. Okay, so there also it represents the current tr. The tr you are going to delete. Okay, try deleting quickly. Save list and delete. Now based on this, you have to do some example. I'll give one photo. That photo you should implement. Okay. No error or error? No error. Very good. If no error, then okay. I'll give you one photo now. To implement the multi-dimensional data array of object. HTML assignment. Can you see this photo? Name, price, quantity, exact, no, same what we have done today. But I will not give this assignment. Hold on. We'll do something else. Yes, copy paste. Why need copy paste? We need to do something. Where are you next? Next should be under the bootstrap assignment. Let me go to the bootstrap assignment. Okay, in bootstrap assignment, I have given you already similar assignment to do in the JavaScript. Clear.
how about updates?
In a React, update is something else. We are going to learn that after learning the use params. Use params we'll learn first, and then only we can update. Okay. That will come after 3-4 classes. You are using as of now, which you are using as of now a hooks called use state, right? Using use state, we are maintaining the data. Now using another hook function that is called use params. You will click in edit in one page and it has to redirect to other page. Where on which user you click on edit, that ID should pass through browser URL. And to pass the value from browser URL, we have to learn another hooks function that is called use params. That will receive the value from the browser URL as a parameter. And then we'll do the edit. Okay, so that after maybe 2 or 3 classes, after getting some more idea. In that, you have to play around the 4 files. Listing file, after that, app file, after that, navigation, and after that, edit file. 4 files will be there. So till that, maturity will not come. I will not touch that. Once we become ready to learn that point, then I'll come there. Okay. So one, I will do the assignment. One example I will do, and remaining you should be able to do. Okay. Okay. So now look at this file. In this file, you can see you can do simple table bootstrap. Once we integrate tomorrow or next class, then we'll see how to. But this is design in the bootstrap. You are taking one name, transport number, route name, size of the transport, driver contact number, his mobile number, and you have a button called save. So in this, how many variable is required? How many state variable is required? 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. These all are the state variable to pick the values and individual. And then after that, this value will go to another array. Correct? These all values will go to another variable called the array. And from the array, it will come to where? Right side. And exact same function called delete. Right? So it is for the practice of your array of object. How to receive multiple value and how to do delete and list, save, list, delete, save, list, delete. Okay. So next you take this photo and then post in the group or individual, you can take it and then try it. It's your homework for today. In bootstrap assignment, there is a page called transport. Okay. In LMS, bootstrap assignment, you have called transport that you can do. Okay, so someone has posted. My photo is clear. Okay, somehow very clear. Second one is clear, but both are in two groups. But make sure in 11 o'clock, one batch is there. In that, who and all are there? Osama is there. Then Darshan, Devraj, okay. In your group only, who has posted the photo, his name is Ghost. Okay. So look like possible or impossible? Possible. You have to do that. There is no excuse in that. You try it and send quickly the photo or the short video in group. Okay. Tomorrow next chapter is after this. So you got idea how to create a static page, how to create little dynamic page, how to create little more dynamic, how to make little more dynamic, and how to make. So it is not directly we have come to the point. We are coming first how a state work, then how to use the state, how to use on little next level, how to use on little next level. Next after this, we will be understanding like data will be in one state variable and you will not print in current page, you will print in another page. That is called a props. call is a props. Okay. After implementation of props, we will come to the next called use params. So there, suppose data will be in current page, and once you click on edit, then we will send to another page where we'll edit it. If you click on edit here, you can do easily. In this file, editing is easy. Just 5 lines of code. All code is done. Only we need to maintain the index, and that I'll guide you in this page only. How to edit it in one page. And using use params, how to edit in another page. Okay, that is the next I will guide you after. Tomorrow will be use params, and after that props, two things. And then based on use params, we'll see the editing and some other stuff. Okay. Okay. Then we'll see you again tomorrow. Try कीजिए, please try that homework. But everyone is not posting in the group. Make sure you are doing that. Else you will feel very uncomfortable and difficulties will come. And this read this line. Over 100 Twitter employees cut off after not replying the email on Saturday. After not replying the email. If email came from the boss, if you're not replying on time, then also cut off. Okay, go from the list. This fellow has made market in trouble. He only first started removing